Xiaomi is giving its long criticized camera app a full overhaul. For years, the app has been considered the weakest part of Xiaomi's otherwise solid mobile photography system. Despite very strong sensors and advanced image processing, users complained about its cluttered layout, inconsistent control, and fragmented user experience. Bao, Xiaomi's camera product manager, confirmed the revamp is based on extensive user feedback. The redesigned app addresses layout inconsistencies, confusing feature placement, and poor mode transitions. It provides a cleaner interface, better visual alignment across modes, and reduced viewfinder clutter. Xiaomi has redesigned the Pro mode. It now balances ease of use and manual control. Key tools like ISO shutter speed and EV adjustments are more presented intuitively. The update introduces real-time monitoring and multi-camera support for video shooters. New features include quick focal length toggle between 28 and 35 at 1x, improved EV control, and unified focal length indicator across all modes. Pro modes will now support custom photographic filters, while the EV slider is easier to access without diving into settings. Visually, Xiaomi has updated over 140 icons and reworked more than 600 UI elements. The app includes new startup animation, reduced shutter sound, and improved settings panel. The update also features 40 camera theme colors and redesigned watermark menus. The rollout will be in three phases. The first batch is including the 15 series, 14 series, Fold 4, Mix Flip, and redesigned K80 and K70 series. The second wave arrives on June 20th, will cover a 13 Ultra CV4 Pro and mid-range devices like Redmi Turbo 4. By July, the update will reach older models such as Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Redmi Note 13 series.